So let me tell you more about my dog. And he is, he's that. Okay. So I'm just eating here. And I actually tell Papa to open this. Okay guys, so my camera and that's what I took this morning. Ah! No! Okay. Watch the video I just uploaded today. That's him breathing right now. Don't watch me. Okay, it's somewhere here. It's close. Oh, there you go. Okay. This is my dog. He is 2 years old. And he is shy. He always poops and pees. He peed on my couch. He did oopsie sometimes, and he's very cute. Yeah, you should see the scary doughy dog. It was 18 seconds ago. Gee, that's mean. I uploaded that video. Yeah. Oh, Shanna uploaded that video. So she's a cookie. Okay, now more about my dog. He's really cute, and he's really, really cute and all. And in my old house for 1 year, and here 1 year also. So that makes him 2 years old. So yeah. So bye. Wait. About Barbie dog. Where's Barbie dog picture? Wait, I'll find. Hello guys, we were laughing about this. Okay, watch this. Okay. As you can see, that is our Dobby dog right there. And wait. That's just a normal rag right there. No, it's not a rag. That's a dog. It's a Barbie dog. You see that little meatball nose there? Okay. You see that meatball nose?
Hi. Yo.
Hey, Cat.
Hey, Zook. I ran into your mom on the stairs. She wants you to head home so you can start on your book report.
Okay. What about my loose tooth?
Open.
Whoa.
There.
Thanks.
I get 60%. So, what's all the party stuff for? The throbbing moon. I'm sorry, did you just say the throbbing moon? The moon is, right? I've heard of it. Well, every 3 years, when the Earth and Jupiter are equidistant from the sun, the moon pulses with light, and that is called a throbbing moon. I never knew the moon throbbed. Yep. So we're gonna have a pie. No one is coming and dice. Oh, that's why I've been working so hard on those meatballs for the past few days. What? Nothing.
Okay. So this is Barbie.
Who's that, Barbie?
That's her old cage right there. I miss it. And that is Barbie. And it was pictured in June 6, 2020, and at 7:43 p.m. And he's such a sweetie. And it's so cute. Look at it switch. Look at the window. He's so sad. He's so lonely because Bobby's the rooftop. Anyways, that's done. Bye.